In this tutorial, I will show you how to create a first sync package in the admin center as an admin. The Mpower feature shown here should also be integrated into future versions of Mpower and in some cases already in older Mpower versions. It should be noted that these settings are typically the responsibility of IT and should not be made primarily by content managers or key users. You can access the section First Sync Package if you have been granted with customizing admin permissions for the Mpower Admin Center. To access all available information regarding First Sync Packages, click on the button First Sync Package in the navigation on the left-hand side. A First Sync Package is only used during the initial rollout of Mpower. Usually, the First Sync Package is only needed if a large number of licenses are going to be used. Creating a First Sync Package may lead to temporary increased data load on the application server. If you are hosting Mpower in the Mpower Cloud, creating a First Sync Package must always be agreed on with Mpower first and not be executed without consent. To create a new First Sync Package, click on the button Create. You can follow the progress with the help of the progress bar. Once the creation of a First Sync Package has been started, the button Create is grayed out until the creation is completed. You can also check the status of the First Sync Package creation with a click on the button Tasks. The latest First Sync Package that has been created by any admin user is available for download with a click on the button Download. Metadata regarding the size of the latest First Sync Package as well as its creation date is displayed as well. Choose your desired path to save the First Sync Package by browsing through your device. The First Sync Package is always saved as a .zip file and always includes all binary data stored in the database. If no First Sync Package has been created yet, the button Download is grayed out. For more information about the Admin Center, visit the Help Center and YouTube. Feel free to test the function yourself and save valuable time. If you have any further questions, please feel free to contact us.